look what's finally here. Finally got them. Oh man, look at this big old sticker. Got some O-rings. Nice. Not too sure what that's gonna do. That's the intake. Oh, and a little lanyard. Look at that. Today's install is just going to be to replace this to get nice smooth airflow in instead of the accordion. Alright, so I already moved this part. Can't do it with one hand. Squeeze this, pull this out. I'm going to do a Phillips head here, loosen this, Phillips head here, loosen that. I don't know what it is millimeter wise, it's probably a 4. It's tiny. And move this guy, move this guy. Move over the Smart VCM. All right, we're gonna loosen this and loosen that. Take that piece off, put that puppy on there. Oh, they got you on this one. It's 5.5. So mine's all full of dirt and it's got crud on it. So wheeling. So let's do that 5.5, shall we? That one, get this one. I'm just trying to give you something spooky to forget. I'm just trying to give you something. I'm just trying to give you something spooky to forget. I'm just trying to give you something. Ooh. access, see? All my lights, Dynamics lights. All right, we'll get this on here. These are 7mm. All right, we started it up. No issues, error-free.
All right, here is the final look. I hope you guys like it. I sure do. Remember, I have the 1-inch subframe drop, so that back hose doesn't line up all the way, but it works and it does line up. So, looks awesome. Very excited to see what it's gonna do. And as always, enjoy the adventures.